Oh no, Harvey's got a snake. Harvey. He's probably killed it because he shook it fucking hard. Oh. Yeah, it's got its guts hanging out. It's angry. And I got bare feet. Fucking, I really get sick of that fucking dog killing things. He's killed a beautiful frill-neck lizard. It was probably a metre long. He killed it. It's just so sad to see such beautiful creatures get killed just within seconds for no reason. It's a tree snake, so it lives in the trees usually. So I'll stick him back up there. That's where it's been bitten. Anyway, I'll let it go and hope it lives. Stripey. It's several days after that snake incident and I have found the snake. I'll show it to you. It's been well and truly mauled. It's probably the best actually, because it would have been in a lot of pain anyway. Rest in peace, snake.